Evaluate the numerical expression 70 cubed minus 31 cubed minus 39 cubed.
This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player.
Evaluate this numerical expression without using a calculator. It's not difficult to notice that 70 can be written as 31 plus 39. Firstly, use the binomial theorem to simplify x plus y all cubed minus x cubed minus y cubed. Secondly, substitute x equals 31, y equals 39 in the algebraic expression. Finally, substitute 31 equals 30 plus 1. 39 equals 40 minus 1 to calculate the value of the numerical expression. By the binomial theorem, we know that x plus y all cubed minus x cubed minus y cubed can be written as x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed minus x cubed minus y cubed, x cubed and minus x cubed cancel, y cubed and minus y cubed cancel. So we have 3x squared y plus 3xy squared equals 3xy times x plus y. So 70 cubed minus 31 cubed minus 39 cubed can be written as 31 plus 39 all cubed minus 31 cubed minus 39 cubed, which can be written as 3 times 31 times 39 times 31 plus 39, which can be written as 3 times 30 plus 1 times 40 minus 1 times 70. 3 times 70 is 210. 30 plus 1 times 40 minus 1 can be written as 1,200 plus 40 minus 30 minus 1. 210 can be written as 200 plus 10. 40 minus 30 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So we have 1200 plus 9, which is 1,209. So we can now write 241,800 plus 12,090, which is equal to 253,890.
Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems.
Such as this one, evaluate the numerical expression 50 cubed minus 13 cubed minus 37 cubed.
You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.